Home security starts with the right video surveillance system, but how do you choose from dozens of options? Let's look at 3 key points that will help you make the right decision. All systems perform 3 basic tasks: detect movement on the property, identify who has arrived, and clearly identify the person or vehicle number. For most private homes, the first option is sufficient, knowing about uninvited guests. Analog cameras are a simple and reliable option for basic tasks. IP cameras offer better image quality and more features. The higher the resolution, the more details you can see in the recording. For example, a 5-megapixel camera will show a clear image even at a distance. Before choosing, answer the following questions. What area needs to be covered? What is the lighting like on the site? Where is the best place to install the cameras? This will help you determine the number of cameras and the necessary features, such as night vision or weather protection. We have prepared solutions for different needs. One basic set for small homes is some Greco Pro video surveillance system, easy to install with good image quality based on cameras with Sony Matrices 2 system with improved image quality. IPPO is an alpha video surveillance system, the same video surveillance system, but in the IP standard that is better detail and more frames per second. For more details, follow the link in the description. Now you know the basics of choosing a video surveillance system. The main thing is to clearly define your needs and the characteristics of the site. If you have any questions, please write in the comments.